Girls will chase you if you do this. Have you ever wished you could have that special someone chasing after you, captivated by your every move? Well, in today's video, we're going to explore the exciting world of attraction and discover how to turn the tables, making women pursue you instead. Because after all, who wouldn't want to be the one being chased for a change? Rest assured, we've got you covered with tried and tested strategies to pique her interest and leave her wanting more. But before we get going, if you are new here, please press the red button to subscribe to our channel and comment "I've subscribed" so then we can thank you. Let her come to you. I know, you want to leave a lasting impression, but it's time to reassess your approach. First, let's mitigate any damage done and then strategize to turn things around. To entice her into chasing you, ease off the pressure. Women often enjoy the thrill of the chase, so pushing too hard may only serve to push her away. Desperation is unattractive to most women, and constantly being there for her might not give her the opportunity to reciprocate your efforts. Instead, consider placing her in the friend zone and observe if she begins to pursue you. This technique can prove quite effective, as women generally dislike being relegated to just friends. Take a step back and watch as she starts gravitating towards you. Let absence ignite her desire. Being constantly available won't inspire her to chase you. It's crucial to create a sense of distance, piquing her curiosity about your whereabouts. If you are always present, she won't have the opportunity to miss you or develop a deeper interest in you. If you are stuck in the cycle of chasing her, you are likely not providing her the space she needs to recognize your value and gives you the attention you deserve. So, how can you captivate her without appearing desperate? When you are with friends, shift your focus elsewhere and avoid being the last one lingering around after a gathering. Refrain from double texting, as it can signal excessive availability. By granting her space, she'll have the opportunity to miss you, appreciate your worth, and initiate the chase. Remember the adage, absence makes the heart grow fonder? Allow her the freedom to miss you and come to you in her own time. Master the art of texting. Do you find yourself replying to her text immediately, then nervously awaiting her response? This approach is a significant mistake that can make you appear needy. You don't want her to assume you are sitting idly, eagerly anticipating her text all day. When texting her, your objective is to captivate her interest. And here's a valuable tip. A lesser-known strategy for enticing women to chase you involves making her wait for your reply. This tactic enhances your allure, leaving her pondering your whereabouts. However, excessive caution to avoid appearing overly distant or failing to respond for extended periods. This approach may leave her disinterested and bored. You don't want to keep her in suspense, so be sure to reply at opportune moments to maintain her engagement. The key to making a woman chase you through texting is striking the perfect balance. Pique her curiosity and interest by providing just the right amount of attention at the right times. Project self-assuredness. In case you didn't know, let me enlighten you. Women possess an uncanny ability to detect nervousness in a man almost instantly. I know. They understand that truly confident men don't feel compelled to try too hard. While relegating her to the friend zone like we spoke about, this could be a daring strategy. It also carries its risks. If you are here seeking ways to make her chase you, allow me to offer some invaluable advice. Few things are more appealing to a woman than a man radiating self-assurance. A confident man is secure in his desires and feels at ease in his own skin. Though women might appreciate nice guys in a platonic context, if your goal is to make her fall head over heels for you, certain adjustments are necessary. Embrace and display your confidence, demonstrating that you have nothing to prove to anyone. Always remember, you possess a magnetic charm that may exceed even your own expectations. Win her heart with authentic praise. It's no secret that women adore receiving compliments, and they tend to respond positively to them. However, subtlety is key, and it's crucial not to go overboard. Complimenting a woman's appearance might not yield the desired results, as she likely hears such praise regularly. Instead, turn your attention to her personality traits and the qualities that set her apart. Women cherish recognition for their resilience, sense of humor, and unwavering commitment to their aspirations. Consider these examples of compliments that can make a woman chase you. Your sense of humor never fails to brighten my day. I'm genuinely impressed by your tenacity. Or your zeal for life and your dreams are truly inspiring. When you deliver these compliments with perfect timing during a conversation, you'll find her pursuing you before you know it. So important, display emotional intelligence. Women are naturally attracted to men who emanate trustworthiness and reliability. To entice her to chase you, it's essential to demonstrate that you are someone she can confide in and depend on. Showcasing empathy and prioritizing harmony over conflict can make you irresistibly appealing to her. Emotional intelligence is a highly sought after trait in partners for women. If you've been drawn to a woman for some time and are still pondering how to make her chase you, it could be that she hasn't yet witnessed your compassionate and caring side. Bringing these qualities to her attention in a subtle manner can work wonders in intensifying her attraction towards you. Once you effectively highlight these traits, everything else will just naturally fall into place, and she'll be more inclined to pursue you. Balance distance with care. Men often misinterpret the need for distance as rejection when attempting to entice a woman to pursue them. This mistaken belief can lead to completely ignoring the woman you are interested in, demonstrating a lack of emotional awareness. You don't want to lose a woman who's genuinely interested in you, so striking the right balance is crucial. While the tips in this list can assist you in encouraging her to take the lead, it doesn't imply that you should entirely disregard her. Remember, the effort you invest in is what you receive in return. Make it a point to occasionally check in on her, letting her know that you care about her well-being. This gesture demonstrates that you are interested in a reciprocal relationship. Empathy serves as the bedrock for any successful connection. Don't take the attention you've received for granted, as it can vanish just as quickly as it appears. Cultivate a balance between giving her space and demonstrating genuine interest, and you'll be on the path to thriving mutual attraction. Now, these tips will give you a head start, but please remember to be mindful of reciprocity. It's crucial to respond to her reactions at the right time and in the right way. Good luck, and I hope it works out for you. Before you leave though, show some love to the video by hitting like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.